this video I'm gonna show you how to make a working alarm using Python. So how it works, by simply entering the alarm time, then when it's time, it will start ringing. So we start first by importing the libraries. We import time, datetime, and pygame. So if you don't have pygame already installed on your computer, you can download it by typing on the terminal pip install pygame. Next we declare a function called setAlarm. We're gonna skip the inside for a bit and jump to if name equals main. So this line is used in Python to identify the file that we're writing the code in, something like this. Okay, then we write a function called alarm time with an input, for example enter the alarm time, and we write the function setAlarm. Now we go back to the inside of the function and we write print alarm set for then the alarm time, then a variable called sound file, which is the variable that contains the sound or the music that you want to hear. So go to the internet and search for any alarm audio you want or you like, then you have to put it on the same folder as the Python file. Alright, now we go back to the code. Inside the sound file variable, you have to write the exact name of the audio. For example, mine called alarm.mp3. Next we need a boolean variable called, for example, is running, and we set it to true, then a while loop. So while is running, we need a variable called current time, which will contain the real time. Alright, then we print this variable and we write time.sleep 1 second. This will show the real time updated after every second. So what do you think we need next? Exactly, an if statement. So if current time equal the alarm time, we print wake up. Then we set the boolean variable to false. And finally we need to set the alarm audio. How? By using the pygame library. So pygame.mixer.init and then pygamemixer.music.load sound file, then pygame.mixer.music.play. And with the last touch we need another while loop. So while pygame.mixer.getBuzzy time.sleep 1, and we're done. So save the file and let's run the code. First we should enter the alarm time and make sure to enter it exactly like this. So for example, if it's 8 a.m., make sure to start with the 0, then the 8. Alright, now we wait till the real time. As you can see, this is how to make a working alarm using Python. And this is it guys, see you next time.